Hi guys, today we'll start the functions of management. Management should be done officially for the accomplishment of objectives. Means manager should divide the work according to the ability of an employee to reach the objective of the business unit. Students, here I like to ask that do you know what is the objective of business unit? Yes, that is always to earn more and more profit by satisfying the customers, and for this each and every business unit follow the process of management by appointing efficient managers. A series of functions which are continuously performed for the accomplishment of predetermined objectives of business is known as process. This you have to underline. It can be asked in 1 mark what is process. So same words you are writing, no need to change. You cannot write 1 mark answers by your own. So this you have to keep in mind and get ready. Various business activities are arranged in chronological and orderly manner for the achievement of objectives. Hence, management is considered as a process. Chronological order means the arrangement of things following one after another in time. In other words, management will arrange business activities in a sequence to reach the objectives of business, and that is considered as a process. Sometimes some authorities doubts regarding various activities of management, and due to that public discussion and disagreement is seen. That is a controversy. Means discussion regarding some are disagree, so that is known as controversy. Management is considered as a subject of study or a field of knowledge. Therefore, it is but natural that various thinkers and scholars hold different opinion regarding it. Means different expert scholars will not be the same regarding the opinion. Each and every scholar will give different opinion regarding that. In easy language, here we can say that according to the field of knowledge, management first function is to study the subject, and after that function accordingly regarding that. It is natural that various thinkers and scholars give different opinion regarding management. Okay, now classification of function we'll see from textbook page number 8, and that is very important. I am showing you classification of function. Here it is there 1 2 3 4 5 functions of management. It is different experts have given different functions according to Goods and Donald: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling; and according to Henry Fayol: planning, organizing, direction, coordination, then controlling; according to Peter Drucker: managing a business, managing the managers, managing workers, man and work; according to Luther, that is Gulick: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordination, reporting, then budgeting; according to George Strary: planning, organizing, directing, controlling. Now we'll see first we'll see the function of management. So classification of function we have seen. Now different thinkers and scholars have given different classification function of management that we have seen. Now we start from planning. Even God cannot change the past, but man can change the future. Planning means selection of facts for the expected result and to establish interrelationship between them, as well as observation of necessary activities and forecasting for the same anticipation. This can be asked in 1 mark. What is planning? Same words you are writing. So same words you are learning. No need to write by your own. You will not get otherwise 1 mark also, and not even a half. So same words you are using in writing the answers. In other words, we can say that planning is the process of thinking about the activities required to achieve a desired goal. Management begins that management start with planning. When in advance management decide what work is considered, who will do, how, to what extent or what limit, extent we can say limit, and when work is to be finished, for the achievement of predetermined objectives is known as planning. Planning means future forethought, that is premeditation. Planning in advance of acting, that is action in the present. Planning is necessary to reduce, that is bring down risk and uncertainties involved in future. Uncertainties means doubt. So if we are making planning, then uncertainties will not arrive. Due to planning, all the business activities are undertaken or done in a systematic manner or way. Due to planning, it becomes very easy for every management to achieve or reach the objective. When many alternatives or option or choice are found at the time of defining objectives, planning becomes useful to select the best alternative. Hence, planning is a function of selection, preference, that is the taste. Planning is a base for the other managerial functions such as organizing, staffing, coordinating, and controlling. In short, we can say that no other function can be done if planning is not done. All managerial functions get success due to appropriate planning. Now we'll see organizing, very IMP for you, and textual language only you are using it. This may be asked in 1 mark. After planning, now next is to organize the work according to knowledge or intelligence of the workers. Management assign authority and responsibility of work among the individuals, workers, for the achievement of common objectives. Objectives, policy, program, etc. are decided through planning, while executing plan, that is accomplish organization structure, is formed. The activities of a business are divided among different sections. We can say here units, and various groups of people are also divided according to their designation, knowledge, intelligence for the accomplishment of objectives. In organization work, authority and responsibility among this section and groups is distributed, and everybody get clarified with the formation of organization structure. Issue like who will supervise, who will have authority and responsibility of work, interrelationship among individuals, etc. will be divided. Now this is very IMP for you. Planning is the brain of a business unit, while organization is its physical structure. This may be asked in explain. The function of a brain in the human body is to take the intellectual decision, while its implementation is done by various organs of the body. In the same manner, the function of planning is in a business unit is to take intellectual decision. In order to implement these decisions, distribution of work, authority and responsibility is delegated among the employees of various departments or units or sections, we can say. So guys, I am ending my lecture here. Now try to see whatever tough for you, and you can message me. Tomorrow we'll carry forward further chapter, and see you tomorrow. Bye.